What's up? Yeah. Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog, Adam. Eric once again making his appearance. Twin turbo, Lamborghini Murcielago. Vlog, say hi to Eric. Today's a really good day. Side Quest Wednesday. Side Quest Wednesday.
Running off of pounds, man, you know I'm with it. I'm talking about chopper on the round, man, they get to flipping. I'm man down, man, you know I did it. I'm talking about, ooh, I just want the kid, ooh, bitch, you want it
stinks.
What, the car? Or Adam's ass? Oh my god, it sounds so good.
Another jewel, that's a fucking move. Another jewel, that's a fucking move. Damn, I see, diamond blinded. Bitches shining hard, they fucking, yeah, they love me. Bitches fucking, yeah, they suck me, yeah, they love me.
Adam, how are we feeling right now?
You doubted me.
Huh?
You always do. You
About
doubted
what?
me on this spot, and it'll be the best video that you ever produce.
No, it won't. We all know that.
Yeah, because you're at the lens.
I don't know where any of the buttons are on this camera. Ooh, oh my god.
We need Dylan to open the trunk.
And...
Am I in frame?
Nope. Go ahead. Sick. Damn, boy. Doors up, digs out, you know what they say. Oh, Eric's going. Everybody's over there. We got some interior shots going on. I know it's like impossible to hear me with this car going, but Tanner, you pulled in so off center. I know. I need you to back up a little bit, like right in between these poles.
No paparazzi.
Tanner just pulled up. We're to Aston. Eric's out there in the wilderness. How much, Eric?
A lot of shit.
Eric's Photography Advice Corner. I'm brand new to photography. How do I get clients like this?
I don't.
You're gonna what? That's fine.
And it's fast, but it's not like mind-splitting fast, but it's like the right amount of fast for this type of car.
I know what you mean. Holy shit.
That was second gear. Like, it gets really fun in third gear. I actually hit the red line on that.
Oh my god. We're just gonna go to the Art Hotel.
Adam's Life Advice Corner.
What the fuck do you want? Just if you're sad, just kill him.
He's gonna be hated more online.
Eric's
Give me fucking directions, God.
Eric's when things don't turn out right, what do we do about it? Corner? Advice corner? We do it again. God.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, dude.
Okay. Adam's.
Eric is useful. Nick sucks at everything.
Okay, quick. I only have 8%. Adam's photography advice corner.
Anyone that's just starting out, just quit. You're not built for it.
Okay, I just started. How do I get my first client? And I want my first client to be a supercar.
I feel like that's the only answer.
You're good.
Hold on. I need to remember the quote.
Oh, Eric intermission. All right, we're going to check out what Eric's doing. Eric's probably got bombs hidden somewhere in here. Eric, what are we doing right now? We need the Tanner Life Advice Corner. All right, let's hear it, Tanner. Life advice.
Oh, I would tell you to not stick your dick in crazy, but it's too fun.
We are attaching the IED to the bonnet of the Lambo right now. What just popped off? No way.
I have another one.
That popped off?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, how did that happen? Oh, well, I'm really glad that I didn't put my camera on there and then do a flyby. That would have been fun. Let him cook.
So if we drive forward and do a really long shutter speed,
I need some city B-roll.
I'm like a fucking madman. Get out of my way.
That's a sick building.
Move!
Oh my god.
Denver sucks. Nice muffler, man.
I love Denver. I love Denver. I love Denver.
Fuck me over. Come on now.
Tanner knows all about that.
Do what? No, just for Instagram.
last week it was a rap video. This week it's a YouTube. I swear, I'm like, what is with my?
No, we're dwindling down the nice days, so we brought the cars out to just get some video content for it. Yeah. Thanks, you too.
Okay, so there's literally no way in hell that we're gonna be able to keep up what he's doing at pole, but if we could somehow get him to shift on a you can't even record forward. We don't have the fucking kit.
I know. Bye-bye, Tesla. Over one lane. Come up. Hold it right there. Perfect. Beautiful. Holy shit, that's sick. Yes, yes. All right, way. They're on the way. Is that you? Are you in the HOV? Adam, yeah. No, I don't think that's... All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Ton of fun today with the Mercy, with Tanner back there. Shout out to Tanner for coming out. Got my car back there. Adam and Eric made another appearance in the video today. So I hope that you did enjoy. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, they love me. This shit fucking, yeah, they suck me, yeah, they love me. Double cup ain't nothing but that lean, prickle date. Do you wanna lean, pull up on the scene?